In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook profile private. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is come over to Facebook, and then once you come over to Facebook, go ahead and click on the menu icon in the top right corner, those three lines. And then once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and click on privacy shortcuts from here. And then what you need to go ahead and do from here is click on see more privacy settings. And then click on check a few important settings. And then click on who can see what you share. And then click on continue. And then from here what you need to go ahead and do is where you see friends and following, you can go ahead and who can see your friends list on your profile. You can go ahead and select only me or friends. And then who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. You can go ahead and select only me and friends again. And then once you've done that, only friends will be able to see some of your information on your profile. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on next. Who can see your future posts? Go ahead and click on only me or friends, whichever you want to do. And then stories, control who can see your stories. Stories are visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger, so you can go ahead now again and click on friends. Hide your story from certain people, or you can go ahead and choose custom people to share your stories with. Go ahead and do whichever suits you best. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and click next. So the last option here is blocking, and you can go ahead and you can block certain users if you want to go ahead and do that. But if not, you can go ahead now and click on next. And then go ahead and click on review another topic. And then once you've done that, you should be all set. Your Facebook profile should be now private, and only your friends will be able to see most of your information on your Facebook profile, and the people that you're not friends with will not be able to access or see any of the information or content on your Facebook profile. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.